beneficent, the most principal. I am Rahul Nashri, and these are my team members. Ali Haider, Sajad Ali, Danish, and others. And our topic is line printer. Before coming to the main topic, I am first going to tell you what a printer is. Then I will proceed towards some of the major brands of printer, and then finally we will come to line printer. A printer is an output device which produces a hard copy, that is human readable text or graphics of documents printed in electronic form. The unit of sharpness or resolution of an image is dpi, that is dot per inch, and it is a measure of number of columns and number of rows of dot per square inch. For personal computer printers, it is in the range of 60 dpi to 1500 dpi. The early printers used the unit one character per second for their use, but the modern printers are using the unit ppm, that is page per minute. Printers are broadly classified into impact printers and non-impact printers. This classification is done on the basis of the image that is formed, whether due to the physical contact between the printing mechanism and paper or not. Therefore, an impact printer by its very name is a printer which forms symbols, letters, digits, or images by an impact or by striking mechanism such as a print hammer against an ink ribbon, thus leaving an image on the paper. Whereas non-impact printer does not use any such kind of mechanism where there is actual physical contact between the printing mechanism and the paper. Therefore, these are much faster than impact printer and are quieter than impact printer. Now coming back to impact printer, if we analyze, we would find that impact printer is somewhat similar to typewriter, because the printing mechanism of typewriter and impact printer is same. Therefore, I have parented it as that typewriter is the elder brother of impact printer. Impact printer have been classified into several types, most of which have become quite outdated. Therefore, we are not going to discuss them here. Perhaps the most popular type of impact printer is dot matrix printer. Now finally coming to our main subject of interest, that is line printer. As its name implies, it prints an entire line of text at a time. It is associated with the earlier days of computing, and the first line printer was water line typewriter, which was built in 19. There are 5 major designs: band printer, bar printer, and last but not least, line matrix printer. Now my team fellows will come and one by one they will describe these designs. I would like to invite Mr. Ali Haider, who will tell you about drum printer and medium printer. I will tell you first about the drum printer. Drum printer is a printer which uses drum having characters in Bose-Unique. It works on the principle that when the character which is to be printed passes from the in front of the ribbon, the hammer behind the paper strikes the paper and pushes it towards the ribbon and the paper, and then finally to the drum. So the character is printed on the paper. And I will also tell you that the drum printer can print 132 characters in a line. And for every column, there is a hammer fixed in this printer. And the drum is continuously moving. So the drum is continuously moving so that you can imagine that it can print 132 characters and its speed is 600 lines per minute. So you can imagine the speed of the drum. So the drum is continuously moving. So the drum is continuously moving so that you can imagine that its speed is very high and the striking of hammer and its retreat should be very fast and critical for good printing result. Now, if we want to print a line which contains same character in a line, for example, we can say that a line having dashes and all lines having dashes. So all the hammer will continuously, spontaneously strike the paper and the line will be printed. Now in drum printers there are lower cost printers. They are lower cost because the hammers in these are a half than the higher cost printers. In lower cost printers the hammers are a half in number than the higher cost. Because for 2 columns there is a single hammer and for a printing of single line, 2 complete revolutions are required. One for the odd number of columns and second revolution for the even number of columns. IBM was a typical vendor of drum printers which sold same model of drum printers with having a full set of hammers delivering 600 lines per minute and the same model with half set of hammers with 300 lines per minute. So you can imagine that if we do half the number of hammers, the speed is reduced to half. Now coming towards the chain printer. Chain printer also works on the same principle. It has a horizontally moving chain. And characters are embossed on the chain, as you can see in the figure. Now, in this, the advantage of chain printer over drum printer is that if a shopkeeper he wants to he do not require any letters application to print. He only requires to print a number for total. So he can change the chain. So I also included that changeable chain is the advantage of chain printer. So the chain is having only numbers and punctuation symbols. And IBM was the vendor of these chain printers. It introduced the chain printer. And the most famous printer of IBM, which was chain printer, was 1403. So that's all about the chain printer. Now, Nathan would come to tell you about the line pen and paper. Assalamu alaikum. I would like to tell you about the band printer and cloud printer. Band printer. Band printer is actually a variation of chain printer. It consists of a steel rubber instead of the chain. It also consists of a embossed character like this, and this embossed character can only be changed by changing the chain. So it's a disadvantage. Now, the different machines are available in the market with different mixture of characters. But we should use those characters which are most commonly printed for our convenience. Now, the manufacturer. Dataproducts was the first manufacturer of band printer about 1870s or in this era. And Dataproducts actually introduced a series which is called B. B series contains B300, B600 and B1000. B300 and B600 are somewhat similar, but the difference is the hammer arm of the hammer in the B300. And the rate is measured in the RPM, which is lines per minute. This is the SP2000A band printer, which is the best example of band printer because it can print 2000 lines per minute. And other printer is which was manufactured by IBM 6250, and IBM has actually a great contribution in the band printer. Why? Because the band printer was used with the magnet. The computer. That's why IBM has a great contribution with the pen printer. The second is power printer. Power printer is also somewhat similar to the pen printer, but actually the difference is that it is less expensive than pen printer. It is actually an advantage, but everything has to expect. It's a part of the life. Then, if you will consider about the disadvantage, then you will see the disadvantage as the low speed as compared to the chain print. Actually, chain print continues in a continuous chain, but power printer cannot do. That's why chain printer is popular than power printer. And all the designs of power printer, drum printer, chain printer can usually print 132 columns, 80 columns, or it may be 160 columns, as maximum. Now, actually all the designs depend on the time slot. Time slot is what the time for hammer strike on the ribbon. Actually, what happens when it's due to incorrection of time, the incorrect time may cause the vertical line in the skin page, in the drum printing system, which is unwanted line, and it may cause the quality of print not good. Now the second thing, when about the law of pen printer, what is the effect of time incorrection in the bar and in pen printer? What happens? Actually, the character moves horizontally. It is also a disadvantage of it. So, my presentation is complete by Mr. Rani.
Assalamu alaikum. I will tell you about these line matrix printers. As specified by the name, these printers are hybrid of dot matrix printer and the line printer. In spite of dot matrix printing, each character at a time, they can print whole line at a time because it's a line printer. And the basic idea behind these printers was to get printers which are more efficient, faster, and reliable. This idea was presented by Mr. Gordon Bennett and Mr. Robert, who started Printronix to make such printers. The vision was barely completed in just 3 months when they make a revolutionary line printer with the speed of 300 LCM. They produced the printer and the same year in 1974 with the name P300. Now let's come to the mechanism of printing. The mechanism is used for printing is the laws of hammers. As you can see in the picture, these are the strike hammers arranged on the head. This is a head of printer that use 7 print hammers in a cover, and it can cover easily 15-inch white paper. Now these hammers are fixed on shutters. These shutters move back and forth. And the process of moving these shutters is called shuttering. And due to this shuttering, this is also called shutter matrix printing. Now, what actually happens is that these hammers are held back by electromagnets. These electromagnets demagnetize at appropriate time to let the hammer go, strike the image, and then onto the paper. Now, this process will create a line of pixels onto the paper, then a paper advances a bit, and then it prints, and then it repeats the same process to print the second line. Then in this way it prints a line of characters using these lines of dots. Now when a hammer strikes something, it makes noise, it makes the environment noisy. But in case of these line matrix printers, noise absorbing case is used, which makes them as quite heavy, decent line printers or decent printers. And the qualities of these printers are that they give good competition to those line printers formerly available in the market at that time. In terms of speed and quality, they are used to print barcodes, other graphics, characters, labels, and etc. And it is available between the speed of ranging around 200 LPM to 2000 LPM with a duty cycle of 5,12,000 papers per month. Now, these are the qualities of these printers that make this technology to survive for more than 3 decades, and it is still being used by many organizations. So that's all from my side. Now, Mr. Kamal will continue with the advantages.
Technology of language is moving to different language printers now. They are using fast and they are using fast and low cost compared to other printers. Using the price of this purchase equals any material. So there is that's the thing which makes them quick to detect and faster than other versions that they print before when a character is typed. An average type printer could print at a speed of 3,000 MB, which is really remarkable. This high speed of a type printer could be used for many purposes, printing box labels, books, magazines, journals, video molding, multi-part paper forms, and for the high scale commercial. Now, I tell you this electronic commercial. A big and most important electronic organization that they multi-part typical print papers of typical way of 17, which is really satisfied. And other electronic organizations that they don't get graphics as they are only designed. We also have a very satisfied character set, text character basic, and a pretty low name quality, which makes them unsuitable for correspondence, books, and for the applications we are high in quality. They are also short in size. They take place for text. Finally, we could summarize the lines in a good, fast, direct, and handy printing device. This will be used for many printing purposes, especially for high-scale commercial. वो भी सही से थोड़ा छोटा हो गया। नहीं अगर ये थोड़ा बड़े कैपिटल बड़े लेटर से लिखे सब सही आएगा। अवोलिक प्रेजेंटेड सेंटेंस प्रेजेंट किया अच्छे जान नहीं कहते और जानकारी प्रेजेंटेशन हुई सबको विकल्प वाले की बात करें क्या करें। अच्छा और कंटेंट भी इंटरेस्टिंग था। अब प्रेजेंट की सब मेंशन किया कोई की आवाज अच्छा इसके बाद के बाद आपको दक्षिणी के बाद को टाइप करेंगे जब चार्ट पेपर देने में पहुंचा दीजिएगा और नेक्स्ट महीने के लिए आपको एक